Hi guys, if you are an ancillary coder and you want to become an ENM OP coder, then this training program is for you. Okay, so before you going to join any training program, you have to ask yourself these two questions, guys. Okay, the first question is, can I get a job after completion of course? And second one is, can I survive after getting the job? Okay, these two things are most important nowadays because there are a lot of people who has already done their training program but they are not getting job. Okay, fine. Some people are getting their job. Then what is happening? Because of their production and quality, they are going into the PIP. Otherwise, because of that stress and pressure, they are absconding. So first, I will try to answer your first answer. Okay, first question. Can I get job after completion of course? Definitely you will get a job. But there are several people why they are not getting job. Okay. First of all, they are going with only theory training. Okay. When you will have only theoretical knowledge in interview, sometime they will ask scenario based questions. At that time you will not able to answer. Okay. Okay. Somehow you will make some arrangement and you will answer the interview. Okay. After that, what happens? You have to meet their production and quality. Why? Because you are not going with fresher. You are going with 2 to 3 years. That means they will expect you to work from the week first. If you can't do, they will move into PIP after several months. Okay. Sometimes people are feeling pressure and they are absconding themselves itself. Okay, so why all these are happening? If you see, the main reason is they don't have any hands-on experience. They are going with only theoretical knowledge. That is why they are suffering. Okay, so what if you go with the theory plus practice? Okay, in that practice, if you do 1 or 2 months production and you meet all your production and you complete your quality, then you apply for job. What will happen? You will easily qualify the interview. You will meet all your production and quality. So there will be no issue with PIP and absconding. Okay, so don't go with only theory training. Okay, go with theory plus practice. This is the main thing you have to remember going through any cross training. Okay, now let me answer all these questions. So can I get job? Can I get a job after completion of course? Yes, you will definitely get a job, but you need to do properly training. Proper training you need to do. Okay, can I survive after getting the job? Yes, you will survive. Okay, if you do practice. So now let me introduce what is my course. Okay, here first of all, who is eligible for this training? So ancillary coders and certified and non-certified. Okay, if you are non-certified means you have to do certification. Otherwise, most of the companies are not hiring non-certified. Okay, because you will go with the ENMOP. That is why. So what is the benefit of this training? 100% job guarantee. Okay, and high salary also you will get. Okay, 100% job guarantee means it will be pay after placement, guys. Only if you get placed somewhere, then only you will pay us. Otherwise, no need to pay. Okay, training duration and timing. Training duration is until you get a job. Okay, and timings will be after your working hours. Since you are working now, so after working hours you can do all your production, and weekends also you can allot some time. Okay, now here the important thing, that is training details. First you will be getting theory classes, then you will be working on the charts. Okay, so how long you will do? Until reach your production and quality. Once you done with your production quality, then we will prepare one resume for you, then we will take some mock interviews, then you will land on a job. Okay, these are the 5 key steps you have to follow. If you follow all these 5 steps, you will easily get a job and you will easily do your production, and you will maintain your quality, and you will do independently. Okay. Now training fee. Training fee will be pay after placement, guys. It is expensive course. Since we are providing all these products and quality, we will take care of everything. We are charging high amount money, but we are not charging initially. Initially, you have to pay for only classes, theory classes, and once you place in some organization, and after that you pay the remaining fee. Okay. I hope you understood. And if you like to enroll this course, you can leave your contact details in the description. Okay, I have given one Google form. Go and leave your contact details there. We will contact you. Okay, thank you.